Hi guys, choosing the best induction cookware set can be difficult as there are so many considerations, such as CAROTE, KitchenAid, Fadware, Circulon, Cohafa. No worries, we've got you covered. We put together the top 10 best induction cookware sets for you. To compile our list of the best induction cookware sets, we've researched and evaluated a range of the best-selling induction cookware sets on the market, costing between $46 and $569. Our top pick is CAROTE Cookware Set. Read on for a list of our top picks, as well as a buying guide on how to select. So, let's get started. Number 10, Pots and Pan Set Nonstick. Now you can get it at around $100. Features of this product: premium nonstick interior, an essential addition to any kitchen. The PFAS-Free cookware features a 3-layer nonstick Whitford coating that eliminates the need to add more oil or butter, for healthy cooking and convenience. Durable and exceptional coating delivers 3x better nonstick release for easy cleanup and long-lasting performance that all chefs will love. What's in the box? 8-foot and 9.5 frying pan, 10 3.2 QD deep saute pan with lid, 1.5 QD and 2 QD saucepan with lid, 4.2 QD stockpot with lid. Simmer, brown, fry, boil, or braise to your heart's content. Perform all cooking tasks, large or small, with the BEZIA 10-piece pan set, and elevate your cooking experience. Even in consistent heat, for faster and even heating, these cooking pots are made from durable aluminum alloy core. It conducts heat rapidly throughout the pans for superior consistent cooking results. The next is Number 9, Duckstop Professional Stainless. Now you can get it at around $173. Features of this product: sturdy and comfortable handle. The cooking set features a classic straight-sided and drip-free pouring design. The stainless steel rivets secure the stylish shaped handle firmly to the pan, safe and durable. Stay cool perfect grip handle allows for comfortable handling during cooking. Clear measure marks inside is for easy measuring. Clear tempered glass lid is easy to monitor your cooking task. Food-grade stainless steel and fast heating. Duckstop Stainless Steel Cookware Set is made of premium food-grade 1810 stainless steel, which maintains the flavor of the food. Heavy-gauge impacted bonded aluminum encapsulated bottom gives a quick, even, and energy-efficient heating. Versatile, 3.1-quart saucepan with pour spout and double-sided strainer lid ensures drip-free pouring and superior draining control. Large 8.6-quart stockpot covered with pasta insert and steamer insert is great for boiling and steaming, such as cooking pasta, making savory stock, steaming vegetables, preparing shrimp and more. The next is Number 8, Country Kitchen Nonstick. Now you can get it at around $150. Features of this product: safe coating. Our cast aluminum pots and pans are non-toxic and safe to use for your everyday cooking. Cookware without the chemicals that can be used as a soup pot, saucepan, skillet or non-stick frying pan set. With superb food release and easy cleanup. Hand wash recommended to maintain the non-stick finish. Nonstick, create the dishes you love without the frustrations. You'll cook, boil, stir-fry, fry eggs, and saute with minimal effort and minimal oil. The cleanup is quick and easy as well. We make cookware that make your life easier and food taste better. Set includes a complete kitchen essentials set. You're getting a total of 11 pieces, including an 8QT casserole pot with glass lid, a 4QT casserole pot with glass lid, a steamer, an 11-inch frying pan, an 8 frying pan, an 11 deep frying pan with glass lid, and a 2QT saucepan with glass lid. These beautiful cookware sets are designed with a speckled coating and wood-like handle. Not only functional, but these saute pans are decorative as well. The next is Number 7, GreenPan Valencia Pro Hard. Now you can get it at around $336. Features of this product: infused with diamonds, GreenPan's Thermal and Minerals Pro Healthy Ceramic Nonstick Coating is free of PFAS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium, so it will never release toxic fumes, even if it's accidentally overheated. Cookware set includes 8, 9.5, 11 fry pans, 2-quart and 3-quart saucepans with lids, 3-quart skillet with lid, 5-quart casserole with lid. Valencia Pro's magneto induction bases bring incredible searing and browning to all stovetops, including Induction Plus. The hard-anodized aluminum bodies are unbelievably durable and scratch-resistant, oven and broiler safe, up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit, metal utensil safe, Our original diamond-infused, non-stick coating offers remarkable durability, balanced heating, and effortless cleanup. Durable glass lids for easy food monitoring. Oven safe up to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. The next is Number 6, NutriChef 14-piece nonstick. Now you can get it at around $151. Features of this product: 4-piece set. NutriChef offers a 14-piece nonstick cookware set which includes 1. 5 QT and 2. 5 QT sauce pots W lids, 5 QT Dutch oven pot W lid, 12-inch large fry pan, 10 medium fry pan, 8 small fry pan, soup ladle, pasta fork, spatula, and strainer. Non-stick coating. The PFAS-Free non-stick pot set cookware features a long-lasting non-stick coating for easy food release for tossing, cleaning, and healthy cooking. W heat-resistant lacquer exterior, making it resistant to high heat. Cool touch handle grips. The pot set features cool touch ergonomic and heat-resistant handles, ensuring comfortable and safe cooking. Offers sleek metallic design. W anti-scratch polished stainless steel edges, adding an elegant touch to the pots and pans. See-through lids. The oven-safe non-stick cookware is equipped W see-through tempered glass lids. W vent holes that allow steam to escape. Dishwasher-safe cookware set effectively distributes and retains heat for even cooking. West 500 degrees Fahrenheit maximum temperature. The next is Number 5, Pots and Pan Sets, Non-Stick. This induction cookware sets is here with the 13% price off. Now you can get it at around $87. Features of this product: 100% safe and healthy, 100% free of PFOA, PTFA, lead, and cadmium. Reducing cooking oil consumption, ensuring the nutrients of the food, and reducing the intake of fat. The pan and pot set includes 1.7 QT and 2 QT saucepan with lid, 5 QT stockpot with lid, 10.3 foot saute pan with lid, and 9.5 frying pan. It promotes a healthy lifestyle for every family. Covers all your needs of daily life in the kitchen. Quickly and evenly diffuse heat and preserve heat and moisture under a sealed design. Suit for induction cooker, gas stove, halogen stove, ceramic stove, etc. Oven available. Note: hand wash is recommended. For induction, burner diameter should not exceed pan or pot diameter base. Experience true non-stick with the unique processed surface. The unique coating can not only prevent the product from being corroded by chemicals, but also prevent the product from being damaged or chipped, and it would stay the same as long as possible. The next is Number 4, Circulon Premier Professional. Now you can get it at around $309. Features of this product: 13-piece set includes 1 quart covered straining saucepan, 2 quart covered straining saucepan, 3 quart covered straining saucepan, 8 quart covered stockpot, 5 quart covered saute, 8.5-inch French skillet, 10-inch French skillet, 12-inch French skillet. Premium Circulon construction and materials. Vessels are crafted from bronze heavy-duty hard-anodized aluminum, shatter-resistant glass lid seal in heat and moisture, comfortable, dual-riveted, stay-cool silicone overcast stainless steel handles. Designed for wide range of cooking options, straining saucepans feature pour spouts and straining lids, total food release system of raised circles with PFOA-free premium non-stick cooking surface. Oven safe and induction ready, suitable for all stovetops, including induction, and oven safe to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Dishwasher safe. The next is Number 3, Fadware Induction Cookware. This induction cookware sets is here with the 33% price off. Now you can get it at around $100. Features of this product: suitable for all stovetops, gas, induction, electric, glass, ceramic, halogen, etc. Oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Comprehensive cookware set: 8-inch frying pan, 9.5 frying pan, 6.3 1.2 QT saucepan with lid, 7 1.7 QT saucepan with lid, 10 2.9 QT saute pan with lid, 9.5 4.4 QT stockpot with lid. Great set as a surprise for one's new apartment. Quick and even heat distribution, made of extra durable forged aluminum with incredible heat conduction and scratch resistance. Enhanced non-stick coatings, 3-layer Fadware professional non-stick interior for effortless food release and easy cleanup. 100% free of PFOA, PFOS, lead, and cadmium. Dishwasher safe durable construction, built to last, thickened gauge of 4 mm, resistant to warping and denting. Extra sturdy stainless steel handle for a secure and comfortable grip. Glass lid with steam vent to view food while cooking. The next is Number 2, KitchenAid Hard-Anodized. Now you can get it at around $260. Features of this product: consistent heat, thick, forged base is designed to heat evenly for experimenting with new recipes and getting beautifully browned results on any stovetop. Set includes 1.5 quart saucepan with lid, 3 quart saucepan with lid, 6 quart stockpot with lid, 11.25 inch grill pan, 8.25 inch frying pan, 10 inch frying pan with lid. Premium food release. KitchenAid hard-anodized pots and pans are finished with triple layer, PFAS-Free nonstick to stand up to daily wear and tear. Fully nonstick interior. Handle rivets are finished with enhanced nonstick for all-around easy food release. Finish in the oven. Cookware is oven safe to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, 350 degrees Fahrenheit with lid. Durable construction. Crafted from durable hard-anodized aluminum, these premium quality pots and pans are built for everyday inventive cooking. The next is Number 1, CAROTE Pots and Pans Set. This Induction Cookware Sets is here with the 33% price off. Now you can get it at around $100. Features of this product: CAROTE 10-piece cookware set includes 9.5-inch 11-inch frying pan plus 2.4 cutie saucepan with lid and steamer plus 4.3 cutie casserole pot with lid plus 4.5 cutie saute pan with lid plus white silicone turner. Our favorite non-stick pots and pans set meets all your need for everyday cooking. Eco-friendly white granite, a top-level, harder non-stick granite material with 10x Ultra Non-Stick Performance (SGS) and Eurofin approved. PFAS-Free, our cookware ensures your daily cooking is always safer and healthier. Suitable for all stoves, heats up quickly and evenly with extended bottom design. High magnetic conductive stainless steel base allows our non-stick cookware to work on all cooktops, including induction. So this is the best option for you to buy.